Now another question. We have to check the divisibility of this number 2146587 to check that whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. So what we do is we will write down the number, that is 2146587. If this number has to be divisible with 3, what should be the case? We have to check the sum of its digits. The sum of the digits have to come in such a way that if they are divisible by 3 completely. So what we do is we will check the sum of the digits. That will be 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7. That would come to be 2 plus 1 makes 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 5 makes 18, 18 plus this is 15. So what you do, 18 plus 15 gives you 8 plus 5, 13 and 3. That means the sum that you have got now is 33. If 33 is divisible by 3, we can get that this number is also divisible by 3. Let us check for the divisibility. Now 33 is divided with 3. 3 ones are 3. Next number, again 3 ones are 3. That means 33 is completely divisible by 3, giving you the quotient 11. That means this number is also divisible by 3. So you can check your divisibility like this.